First of all, thanks for being part of this video. We are back again with our daily score boosters. In this video, we are going to discuss approximations, simplifications, quadratic equations, missing number series, and wrong number series. These are the tasks we are going to see in this video. Let's get started with question number 1. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. First, it says that approximations. So 147.78 means let's take it as 148 minus x equals to 8.12 square means 8 square, which will be 64, plus 176.12 means let's take this as 176. Here we have 0, 7, 40 and 240, and the difference between these two, I can see that here 52 will be 200 plus 40, which will be 92. So the difference we got is minus 92 is our answer. Okay, next, second question. Here we see root over 145. It is near to root over 144 means 12, plus root over 80.9 means it is near to 81, so it will be 9. So 12 plus 9, which will be 21. This is 4.8 means nearly to 5, so it will be, we get 105, and this is x equals to 18.2 means 18 into 9.78 means into 10, so it will be 180. So x value will be 180 minus 105, which will be 75. So answer will be 75. Option C is the answer. Next, 23rd one means third one. Here 9.9 percentage means near to 10 percentage. 10 percentage of 499.9, so it is near to 500. So 10 percentage of 500 will be 50, plus question mark means x minus 199.78 near to 200, so we take 200 equals to 250.32 means 250. So x value will be, this 200 comes this side with plus, which will be 450, and this comes other side with a minus, 450 minus 50, which will be 400. So answer will be 400. Option B is the answer. Next, fourth one. Here we see 440. It is approximately 440 into approximately 5 divided by 11.11 means approximately 11 minus question mark equals to, it is approximately 600 divided by, it is approximately 5 120 times, this will be 40 times, 450 45 times will be 200 minus x equals to 120 means x value will be 80. So answer will be option D, 80. Next, fifth question. Here we see question mark percentage means x by 100 into, this is 160 plus it is approximately 90. 160 plus 90 will be 250 whole equals to, this is approximately 125 and it is approximately 75. So subtracting 75 from this, we get 0, and this is 50 5 times and 5 20 times. So x value will be 20. So answer will be 20. Option E is the answer. Okay. Now we are going to see missing number series. Let's see, the difference between these two is 4. The difference between these two is 12. Here the difference between these two is 20. 4, 12, 20. The next difference is 13 plus 15, which will be 220 28. Difference between these two is 28. So we'll go with the double difference. Here the double difference is 8. Here is 8. Here also the difference is 8. So the next difference also 8 means here we get the difference of 36. So the next number must be 36 difference of 115. So 115 plus 36, which will be 151. So answer will be 151. Option D is the answer. Next, 7th question. Here we see these are in multiplications. 15 2 times, which will be 30 plus 1 time, 31. 31 2 times, which will be 62 plus 2, which will be 64. 64 2 times. 2 times will be 128 plus 3 will be 131. So it must be, the next one must be into 2 plus 4. So 131 into 2, which will be 262 plus 4, 266. So answer will be 266. Option A. Next, 115 dash 380. Let's see the differences. Here the difference between these two is 5 and 2. Here the difference between these two is 6, 9 and 1. So this is 15 square. This is 14 square. Here we see a difference of 169. So it is 13 square. So it must be the difference of 12 square, 144. And here the difference between 115 and the question mark will be 11 square, 121. So adding 121 to 115, we get the answer 236. 236. Option B is our answer. Next, 29th one. Here we see that 75 becomes 38 means it will be half times. 75 half times will be 34.5 plus 0.5. Okay. Next one. 38 becomes 39 means into 1 plus 1. The next one must be into 1.5 times. 39 plus half of 39, which will be 19.5. This will be 0.5, 58.5 plus 1.5, which will be 60. So the next one must be into 2 plus 2. So 62 times will be 120. 120 plus 2, 122. So answer is option C. 122, 2.5 times plus 2.5 will be the 307.5. Okay. So answer we get is C. Next, the last question of missing number series. Here we are going to see the difference between these two. 18 plus 8, which will 18 plus 16, which will be 34. Here the difference between these two is 18. Difference between these two 10. We don't know these differences. Let's see the difference between these two. 8. This is 16. So these are double times. So it must be 4. It must be 2. It is 4 means it is 6. It is 2 means it is 4. So the difference between these two is 4 means 44 plus 4, which will be 48. 48 plus 6, which will be 54. So answer will be 48. Option E is our answer. Okay. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here the first equation is x square minus 20x and minus 13x, which will be minus 33x. Minus 270 comes this side with a plus 270. So what we have is these things. Now we need to find the roots for this one. Here 270 means I know that it is 15 times, which will be 270. and the sum of these two will be 33. So minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now to the equation y square minus 13y, y square plus 13y minus 300 equals to 0. 300 means I can write this as 25 12 times. Subtracting 25 and 12, we get the value of 13. So these are the roots. Plus and minus means minus and plus is the sign of the roots. Okay, so these are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. So answer will be option A. Next one. Second question. Here x and y comes here and x and y come here. So we need to simplify this one. First equation we need to multiply with 3. And second equation we need to multiply with 2 to make the basis equal of y. Okay, so 5 3 times 15x minus 3 2 times 6y 3 10 times 30. This will be multiplied with 2. 4 2 times 8x plus 3 2 times 6y equals to 7 2 times will be 14 into 11 means sum of these two in between them 154. Now it is clear that these two are cancelled. We left with 23x equals to 184. X value will be 3 becomes 4 means it is 8 3 times will be possible. So x value will be 8. So substituting 8 in the value of x in the first equation, we have 5 8 times 40. 40 minus 2y equals to 10. So 40 minus 10, which will be 30, equals to 2y. Y value will be 15. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. So answer will be option D. Next, third one. Here we see 72 and into 2 means 144. 144, we need to get the 25 by adding the two roots. It means 16 9 times will be 144, and the sum of these roots we get 25. Here the symbols are plus and plus, means both the roots are negative. Okay, here 112. 112 means 14 8 times will be 112, and difference between these two, here see minus is given. Difference between these two, we get the value of 6. So these are the roots. So these are the roots means okay, these are the roots, and minus means plus and minus are the root signs. Here the base is 2, so we need to multiply this with 2. So we get minus 16 plus 28. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay. Next question. Here we see 84. 84 means 12 7 times will be 84. Difference between these two, we get the 5. So wait a second. 12 7 times will be 84. Minus and minus means both the roots, the first root will be positive and second root will be in negative. Okay, 105 into 2 times, which will be 210. 210 means 14 15 times, 15 14 times. Okay, plus and plus means both the roots are negative. Here the base is 2 means we need to multiply the first equation with 2 to make the base equal. So it will be plus 24 and plus 14. This is minus 15 and minus 14. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Option B is the answer. Next, here we see, first we need to see this one. It is y and it is x. So sometimes it is also given that the first equation is a y. So y cube value will be root over 576 means 24, and minus 40 comes this side with plus 40, which will be 64. Y cube value 64 means y value will be 4. Here 56 into 3. So what we divide is 56. Let's write this as 14 two times. And we see 3 into 3 means let's make that 3 here. So we get 14 into 6. Subtracting these two. Wait a second. Now we are going to solve this question. Here the first equation is y, the second equation is x. So remember this also. Sometimes first equation is given with y cube minus 40 equals to root over 576 means it is 24. Y cube value will be 24 plus 40, which will be 64. Y equals to 4. We got the y value. Next, here 56 into 3. We need to get 2. 56 is the factors for 14 4 times is 56, and here we 3 left. So 3 left means 3 here. So what we have is 14 and 12 are the roots. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots, root signs. Here the base is 3, here there is no base, so we need to multiply this with 3. Here y value will be 12 now. Now by comparing these two, we have x lesser than or equals to y. So answer will be option E is the answer. Next question. We are moving with the wrong number series. Wrong number series. First question, here we see it is into half times. 8 becomes 12 means it is into 1.5 times. 12 becomes 30 means it is into 2.5 times. Next, 3.5 times. It must be 3.5 times. But I can clearly say that it is not a 3.5 times. 30 3.5 times will be 90 plus half of 30, which will be 15. So 105. It is not a 107. 105 into 4.5 is the next one. 105 4 times will be 420, and half of 105, which will be 52.5. Answer will be 472.5. So the next one is correct. So our wrong number is 107. Option A is our wrong number. Next, here we are going to see the difference between these two is 33. The difference between these two is 44. The difference between these two is 55. Difference between these two is 66. So the next one must be 77. 77 means 346 plus 77. Here the unit digit must be 3, but here we have 2. So this is the wrong number. 442 is our wrong number. Okay. Next. Now we are going to see this question, the difference between these two. Let's write all the sequence series. 99, 122, 164, 225. Difference between these two is 10. Here the difference is 14, 23. Here the difference is 42. Here the difference is 61. So let's do double difference. Here difference is 4. Here difference is 9. Here we get 19. Here also we get 19. These are familiar as 2 square and 3 square. So it must be 4 square, which will be 16. So 23 plus 16, which will be 39. Instead of 42, it is 39. So 122 plus 39, which will be 161, not 164. and 164 and 225. The difference between them is 64. 39 and 64. The double difference will be 25. So this is our wrong number. 164 is our wrong number. Option D is the wrong one. Next. Now we are going to see question 39. Here we see a difference of, let's note all the series. 212, 266, 206, 272. Here the difference between these two is plus 66. Here the difference between these two is minus 60. Here the difference between these two is plus 54. Here we see a difference of minus 51. Here plus 46. Wait a second, it is not 46, it is 45. Okay, here we see a double difference of 6. Here we also see 6. Here we don't see 6. If it is 6 difference means it is not a 51. It will be 48. The next must be 6 means it is 42. So these two are wrong means in between them this is our wrong number. So 263 is our wrong number. Next question 40. Here the difference between these two, which will be 11. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Here we see 64, 25. Next one is, here we see a difference of 6, 1, 2, 1, 6. It is a 5 square. This is 6 cube. This is 4 cube. So it must be 3 square, which must be 9. It must be 2 cube, which must be 8. So these two are wrong means in between them, which is 95. 95 is our wrong number. Okay. Now we are going to see questions of simplifications. So let's see first question. Root over 16 into 81 means 4 into 9. So 36 minus question mark means x equals to 15 8 times, which will be 120. 120 plus 100, which will be 220. 220 divided by 11 means 1120 times. So what we have is 20 here. So x value will be 36 minus 20, which will be 16. So answer will be 16. Option E is the answer. Next, here we see 30% of 560 means 5 6 into 3 3 6 times 18 3 5 times 15 and 3 15 and 1 16 168. 168 plus question mark means x equals to 25% of 720. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 of 720 will be 180. 40% of 250 means 25 4 times, which will be 100. So x value will be 280 minus 168. So what we have is 2 1 and 1. 112 is our answer. Option A is the answer for this question. Next, 43rd one. Now here we see root over 144 means 12. Root over 625 means 25 divided by 15 into question mark means x equals to cube root of 125 means 5 into 200. 5 25 times 5 5 times. So this is 5 5 times 5 3 times 3 4 times 4 50 times. So answer will be 50. Option C is the answer. Next, here 12 power minus 7 into 3 power 10 divided by 4 power 7, 4 power minus 7. So here we commonly see 3 and 4. So we can write the 12 as 4 into 3 whole power minus 7 into 3 power 10 divided by 4 power minus 7 plus x equals to 7 cube minus 15 11 times will be 165. Okay, here 4 into 3 whole power minus 7 means 4 power minus 7 and 3 power minus 7. 4 power minus 7 and 4 power minus 7 cancel. 3 power minus 7 and 3 power 10 means what we will left with 3 power 3 plus x equals to 7 power 3 means 343 and minus 165. It will be 5 plus 3 8. Here 3 means 4 plus 3 7 178. This will be 27. Subtracting 27 from this one, we get the value of x value will be 151. Option B is the answer for this question. Next, the final question, we see 25 8 times, which will be 200. 200 plus 145, which will be 605. 200 plus 145, 345 plus x divided by 4 means plus x divided by 4 equals to 15 square, which will be 225 plus 180. Okay, this will be 503 and 4405. This 345 comes this side with minus. So what we left is 60. X divided by 4 equals to 60. So x value will be 60 into 4 times, which will be 240. So answer will be 240. Option D is the answer. So that's all for today's score boosters of quant. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like the session and must do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about these videos. Thank you.